Hey guys, Lydia here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make Human Hair Dreadlock Extensions. And in the next video, I will be showing you how I ombre them. So keep an eye out for that one. So my client wanted a nice dark brown color, ombreed into a nice blonde color. And today, that's what we're gonna do for her. So, first things first, I section off the hair. Once you have your hair in little sections like that, find a nice clip or something that you can clip it under and you can start off on your dreadlock. Once you have your hair clamped down and it's all secure, that's when you start. Before I start though, I just want to say there is a lot of different ways to make dreadlocks, and this is just the way that I prefer and that I have found works best for me. So it may not necessarily work best for you, but it is what I have found I like to do, and it's kind of a mixture of a couple of the different ways to do it. So first I like to start off with the twist and rip method, and I just twist it and rip. And if you do that enough, you start getting a little bird's nest right here. So once you feel like you have a sufficient enough little bird's nest there, that's when I like to grab my actual brush. And that's when I just start backcombing. And I do this until I have something kind of looking like that. Once I have this, I like to grab my comb. And that's when I just go in and like backcomb a little more, but just get really in there. Starting to stand on its own. And that's when I like to grab my double crochet hook. I will be sure to link these down below. I got them off of Amazon, so I will link those down below if you would like these. I like to use my double one, and that's when I start just kind of working on it. And the way I start working on it is I kind of just grab on and twist with my thumb just a little bit to grab that hair, and I try and pull that in. So you want to move the dread around any which way when you're going down doing this, because that's what kind of helps create the dreadlock. You want to like pull all that loose in. If there's any parts you feel haven't been backcombed enough, you can always go back through and backcomb a little bit more. Once I feel like that's good and solid, I unclip it and I take off the ponytail that I had for sectioning and I clip it back down. And that's when I finish off the top. I like to leave myself about 1 inch to attach it to my client's dreads, but this much is a little just too much. Once I feel I'm satisfied with the top, kind of just give it a little bit of a palm roll. And then I usually just grab my dual and go over it one more time to make sure everything is nice and tight and secure into place. That is it. Beautiful human hair dreadlock extension. And that is how you make human hair dreadlock extensions. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to ombre your human hair dreadlock extensions, so be sure to keep an eye out for that video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it informative and it helped you. If so, please hit that like button. And if you want to see my content in the future, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and I really hope to see you guys in the next video.